If you notice any suspicious activity related to Telefonica, it's important to report it promptly to ensure safety and security. Follow these steps to report your concerns effectively. Step 1. Gather information. Collect all relevant details about the suspicious activity. This includes dates, times, locations, descriptions of individuals or vehicles involved, and any other pertinent information that can help in the investigation. Step 2. Contact customer service. Reach out to Telefonica's customer service. You can find the contact number on their official website or your account statement. Explain the situation clearly and provide the information you gathered. Step 3. Use official reporting channels. If Telefonica has a specific reporting channel for suspicious activity, use it. This could be an online form or a dedicated email address. Ensure you fill out all required fields accurately. Step 4. Follow up. After reporting, keep track of your report. If you do not receive a confirmation or response within a reasonable time, follow up with customer service to ensure your report is being addressed. Step 5. Stay vigilant. Continue to monitor the situation and report any further suspicious activity. Staying aware and proactive can help prevent potential issues in the future. By following these steps, you can help ensure that suspicious activity is reported and addressed appropriately. Your vigilance contributes to a safer environment for everyone.